सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DJ Vidya. Today we'll learn how to create a trifold brochure using Adobe InDesign. So here is Adobe InDesign interface. So today we make a trifold brochure design using Adobe InDesign. So I go to file menu and go to new and make a document. I want to print this brochure, so I click on print and here I click on tabloid and change the unit into inches, and my width is 11 inches and my height will be 8.5 inches. And then I need single page and I need 3 columns for my trifold brochure and gutter width 0.5 inches. Column gutter means space between columns. Then I go to margin and my margin is 0.25 inches in each side and my bleed will be 0.125 inches. Then I create. This is my page for trifold brochure. I go to a rectangle frame tool for adding an image. So I make a rectangle. I go to file, then place. I want to place an image here and right click, fitting. Then I create a rectangle and I put a yellow color here and my stroke color is none, and I want to blend this rectangle with my image, multiply, then I press OK. Then I want to write some tagline for my brochure and I select the text and go to character palette and I want to change the font face into Futura bold. Then I increase the size and go to paragraph and align to center and select the local only and increase the size. Then I select the local only and leading, and I want to change the color of local to this color. So I make a rectangle, then I select local only and go to eyedrop tool and just click here to change the color. And in top of my page I want to apply my logo. I just change the font face of my logo into Futura and select India only and change India color to yellow and go to paragraph and align right. So here I want to make a rectangle and color is white. Then I add another rectangle with black color. Then I go to text tool. I make a text box here and I want to write something. I just copy some text from Laurel Ipsum, then come back to InDesign and change the font size into 8 and press Ctrl V for paste. Then go to change the text color into white and I want to change my font face into Arial narrow Then here I make a text box, and I select the text box and change the font face into Futura bold. Then I increase the size of my text. Then I make a ellipse and color is yellow and stroke color is none, and press alt and drag for copy paste. Then I make a text box here and go to lower ellipsum and want to some text, so press Ctrl C, here Ctrl V, and select the text box and change the font face into Arial narrow and go to paragraph and deselect the hypernet. And in bottom of my page I make another text box, then I select all of these, then I select all of these and change the font face into Futura bold and align the paragraph into center and change the text color into yellow. So this is basically my front page of my brochure. Then I want to make the back page. So what I do, I just make a rectangle and change the color into black, and here I copy another rectangle and change the color into yellow. Then I make a text box, so I change the color into white and font face will be Futura bold, and go to paragraph. I'll align my text into center. Then I select phone number only and increase the. Then I make another text box and I select all the text and change the font into Futura and change the paragraph into center. I select both of the object, I mean black one and yellow one, and lock it first. Then I make a text box and here press Ctrl V and select all the text and change the font face into Arial regular and the text color is white. And here I make another text box and go to lower ellipsum and press Ctrl V and select the text box and change the text color into white and font size small, paragraph center and font face Arial. Then I make a rectangle here with white color, stroke color none. Then I make a rectangle frame here, file, place. So I want to place an image and right click on it, fitting, fit proportionately. Then I want to write something here, so that's why I copy this text and select all the text and go to paragraph, place in center, size will be 14. So here I need some social media icons. I just right click and fit proportionately. Right, so now I want to see my preview, so I go to view menu and click on overprint preview. So like this my trifold brochure is look like. This is basically inside page. This is foldable, fold inside. I make a text box. So I select the text and change to Futura bold and increase the size of the first one, and I want to change the color of the lower one. Now I press Ctrl 1 for actual size. Then I make a rectangle and change the color into black. Then go to text box. Then I make a text box here, and here I go to font face and change to Arial narrow. And for this dash line, go to paragraph and change the hypernet, deselect the hypernet. The next is I make a square. This is my first frame. This is my second one. And this is my third one. So basically I have 3 frames. I select the first frame, go to file and place here an image. Right click on it, fitting, fit to frame. Then go to second one, file, place. I want to place another image. And I go to just right click on it and fitting proportionately, and select the last one, go to file, place, right click, fitting proportionately. Then I make a text box. And change this font into Futura bold, and my text color is black. Right, then I make a rectangle here, and change the color, change the font face into Arial narrow, and I paste here, and select all the text box and change the text color into dark gray. I mean 70% Krypton K. Then I make a black rectangle, and I just make a text box here. I just write down some text and select the text and change the font face into Futura Bold. And now I want to increase the size. .26. Then I make another text box. Then change the font color into yellow color and change the font face into Futura medium and paragraph center. Next I make a rectangle frame for place an image. So I go to file and place here. I want to place a YouTube logo. I place a YouTube logo here and right click, fitting, fill proportionately. And change it and select this, go to character palette and change the font style into bold. So guys, here is my a trifold brochure design using Adobe InDesign. So now I want to export this design. So for export I go to file, then go to export PDF file. So here is my PDF file, export PDF file. So guys, please, if you like my video, so please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.